A golden run for the second successive games by the nation's women's mile relay team was one of 4 medals on the penultimate day for Jamaica as the country closed out its track and field participation on Australia's Gold Coast on Saturday. Jordan Fort reports.
When the day began, it was the women's mile relay team that looked the most likely of the 4 Jamaican quartets to cop gold. The team, which included the silver and bronze medalist from the 400 meters and the gold medalist from the 400-meter hurdles, turned in 3 minutes and 24 seconds flat to defeat Nigeria and Botswana.
Jamaica into the home straight yet again. The defending champions should take out the gold medal. England in third, Moncho challenging. It will be Jamaica gold, Nigeria the silver, Botswana.
Another chance to actually come out and perform for Jamaica, and it was really exciting, and regardless we came out the winner, and I'm really happy that we also got a championship record.
It was very special because we got the championship record. It was just 4 ladies wanting it and went out there and got it.
The men then closed their championship with a bronze, anchored by 400-meter bronze medalist Javon Francis in 3 minutes 01.97 seconds. Jermaine Gale, Demish Gay and Jamari Rose were the other members of the quartet, which was beaten by Botswana, who took the gold in 3 minutes 01.78 seconds, while the Bahamas took silver in 3 minutes 01.92.
The Bahamian is closing, but Isaac Makwala is going to show his class here. Very, very tight on the line. Botswana from the Bahamas and Jamaica take the bronze.
We know that we could have done much better, but regardless, we are thankful. At the position I got the button in, I never had any choice than to just went out. I was trying to give Javon the button a bit closer, but unfortunately it did not happen. But nonetheless, I'm very thankful and very grateful for the bronze medal.
My teammates try their best, so we're just grateful that everyone get a medal to go back home to show.
Earlier, Jamaica's Olympic sprint double champion Elaine Thompson ran a blistering ankle leg, but ran out of real estate in trying to catch winners England, who clocked a national record 42.46 seconds. The nation's team, which also included Christania Williams, Natasha Morrison and Gayan Evans, clocked 42.52.
But the English are coming away here. Can she hang on? Because on the inside, Elaine Thompson is closing, but the English make it a double.
The men finished 1 place lower than their female counterparts, with the team of Everton Clark, O'Shane Bailey, Warren Weir and Johan Blake crossing the line in 38.35 seconds. England took the gold in 38.13, with South Africa second in 38.24.
Jamaica, South Africa, but England could cause one of the great upsets. What a race! England, Australia, it will be England.
And Jamaica's Clive Pullen finished 7th in the men's triple jump with a best leap of 16.25 meters. The win went to Guyana's Troy Doris in 16.88. It was the final day of participation for Jamaica in athletics, as only the marathon will be contested on tomorrow's final day. The nation's medal tally now stands at 26, with 7 gold, 9 silver and 10 bronze. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.